Hello and welcome to the Craft Papa Show. Today's episode we're going to be covering the USS Grissom and Klingon Bird of Prey model kit. Give you an overview of it and then we'll put them together. This is what they're supposed to look like. Beautiful. I know the Grissom gets a lot of hate, but I love it. It's got a great shape. No neck though. Kind of weird. Turbo lifts will have to go sideways, I guess. Alright. Here we go. Bird of Prey. Looks really nice. Highly detailed. Look at that. And the Grissom. I guess it's alright. Admiral Kirk on the box, so you know it's good. I always like Star Trek 3. I think Christopher Lloyd really defined what Klingons were supposed to be in that movie. Just a nice little nip here. Now, they give you two modes because the wings go up and down. If the wings are like this, it's attack mode. If they're flat, it's in warp configuration or cruiser mode, cruising. Let's see, and I've always liked it flat, so we're gonna go flat. Now this part here you might need a knife for. Straight edges I got no problem with. Oops, don't do that. Back of the engine. If you're gonna do LEDs, these are just fantastic. Stick one right in the butt. Red. They make a one that makes it kind of pulse irregularly. So you get that one and stick it in there and you'd have, oops, pretty close to what it looked like in the movie. Maybe that's goes there. It says 101 and 101, so it looks like they just gave us an extra. So we'll set that there for now. We might need it, I don't know. It's not bad. We might not need any glue. I don't know. Oh, look at that. So we just popped that out when it clicked, so maybe that's why they give you a spare. Here we go. Beautiful. So we'll stick the other one in there. So here we go. Alright, let's do the Grissom. Let's start with the bottom. There we go. Saucer section. That's how you know it's a Federation ship, unless it's the Defiant. This video is not made for children. Knives are sharp. They will cut you. And that looks like we are done. I've never had a Grissom model before. There's really not a lot of detail in here. Pretty plain. Gotta fill that up with the stickers, I guess. I think Star Trek's got probably the best design for starships. It's always been my favorite. I love looking at the models. Look at that. Oh man. I would not want to be in the Grissom. Well, thank you all for watching. Have a great day. Bye-bye.